Looking for the best Wacom tablet in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a professional artist, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the top options for drawing, design, and creativity this year. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Touch. If you're a professional artist or photographer, investing in high-quality gear is essential for creating better work, faster, and boosting your earnings. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Touch is the top choice for professionals. With a 23.6-inch display, it offers a 4K resolution that delivers stunning clarity. And with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it ensures precision in every stroke. While it's a powerhouse, it's not meant for portability. Weighing over 7 kilograms, it's designed for studio use, not on-the-go work. But if you're serious about your craft and want a reliable, high-performance tool, the Cintiq Pro 24 is a worthwhile investment. Number 2. Wacom Intuos Pro. This is a premium drawing tablet designed for artists who need a spacious and precise digital workspace. Its large active area and 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity ensure a high level of detail and control. With Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with both Windows and Mac OS, it integrates smoothly with creative software across platforms. Notable features include Wacom's responsive stylus, customizable quick keys, and a multi-touch surface for efficient gesture controls, all of which enhance your creative workflow. While the pen stand could be more stable, and accessing replacement nibs can be tricky, the Intuos Pro remains a professional-grade investment. Though pricey, it's built to last and elevate your digital art. Number 3. One by Wacom. This is a premium drawing tablet, perfect for artists who want a spacious, precise digital workspace. Its large active area and 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity offer incredible detail and control. With Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with both Windows and Mac OS, it seamlessly integrates with various creative software. Key features include Wacom's responsive stylus, customizable quick keys, and a multi-touch surface for efficient gesture controls, all of which streamline your creative workflow. While the pen stand could be more stable, and accessing replacement nibs may be challenging, the Intuos Pro is still a professional-grade investment. It's pricey, but built to last and designed to elevate your digital artistry. Number 4. Wacom Movink. Do you often work on the move? The Wacom Movink, released in autumn 2024, is Wacom's newest mobile pen display, and it's incredibly slim and lightweight, making it highly portable. Weighing just 420 grams and only 4 millimeters thick, this 13.3-inch OLED graphics tablet feels like a sketchbook in your hands. The display offers vibrant colors with near-perfect color accuracy, 95% Adobe RGB, and the Pro Pen 3 stylus supports 8,192 pressure levels and 60-degree tilt, providing a responsive, natural drawing experience. On the downside, it doesn't come with a case or stylus holder, so you'll need to purchase those separately. The Movink connects easily to Mac, PC, and Android devices with a single USB-C cable that also powers the tablet, simplifying portability. While it has just 2 physical quick keys and fewer customization options compared to larger models, it still supports gestures and on-screen controls for convenient navigation. So, which is the best? After testing all these models, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Touch stands out as the top choice. With its stunning 4K display, precision, and professional-grade features, it's perfect for serious creators looking for unmatched performance.